Hey guys, quick video on how you can connect your Lenovo laptop to your printer. So it's super simple. How you can connect it is that you need to go to Bluetooth on your settings. You need to enable pairing for your printer, or what you need to connect it with the cable. And then what you're just gonna do, you're just gonna click here, add a Bluetooth or other device, Bluetooth, and then you're just gonna connect it. This is the first thing with the Bluetooth. Or if what you can do is you can connect it with the printers. So when you're going to write printer and scanners, here you're going to add a printer or scanner, and then it's going to locate for printer and scanner. Like I have right here Epson. Now, important thing to know is that maybe you're going to need to have a driver. So write your Epson something like Epson version driver on Google, and then just like download the driver. And that's it. So thank you very much and have a great day.